Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some thin pork chops. Some of the chops that I got at a good price. Okay, and I'll be using mustard and some kind of seasoning I made. And I found this in my cabinet after Booger 500. She made her some house Autry pork chops, so I'm using mine. I forgot I had this. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, rinse my chops off. I'm going to towel dry them because I will be air frying them. Try to get them as dry as possible. Now I'm going to put my mustard on. A good squirt. You have to wipe the bottles off because I touched the raw meat. This is my spicy blend I got mixed up here. Got that's the way it looks. I'm going to smush it. I forgot I had this, and I got this on sale from Walmart. I don't know when, so I'm hoping it's still good. Okay. I'm not going to need that much. Little 4 chops. Enough. Clean that out later. Okay. I think this is enough. Ready. Looks mighty skanky. You know what? I can have this preheating. That's what I will do. Let me dry my hand off before I plug that in. I'm not trying to make another kind of show. And I'm going to use my grill. See that? I'll spray it when I get ready to put the meat in. Okay. I'll turn it on. And I'm going to set it for 400. And I'll leave it at the preset amount of time for 15 minutes. So I'm going to preheat. Start. I always forget to start. Okay, so it's preheating while I do this. Okay, let me put my going to spray it with canola oil, which is in this bottle. So far I haven't had anything to stick. Okay. Give it one more shake. I hope it's good. Looks like. I'm trying not to let them overlap. Okay, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to spray them first and I'll show you. This is my olive oil. And this one don't spray as good as the old one. Come on now. There you go. Okay, I'm going to flatten this chop out. There you go. You can get the spray. Take this, I'll just do this. Let's have my chops look in here. Okay. I'll put them in the air fryer. And let them cook for, I'm going to check them at 8 minutes. Okay, I will be back. Okay, y'all, they've been cooking for, well, it's on the 6. That's how they look. I'm going to turn them over. Not sure they even have to be turned over, but I am. When I turn them over too soon, the breading comes up. A little piece came off, but that one is cool. Good. Smells amazing. Yeah, a piece of bread came off of that one too. Looks. Let's see. Okay. I don't even think this side got to be sprayed. So I'm put them in here and let them finish cooking. I just want the crust to get crisp. They look done. Okay, I'll be back. This is what we're going to be barbecuing. You can see his burgers. He got a lot of. He seasons more than I do. I'm going to throw me 2 burgers out there. See there? And there's that little chop. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, this thing is doing the countdown from 1 minute. Now it's on the 0.05. So I'm sure it's done. There you go. Looks good. Yeah. Okay, what I'm doing with it. Let me see. Let me look at it some more and make sure it's done. Guess I used to need the thermometer. And this one. Pork should be 160. This moving too slow. Okay now. And my bracelets are getting hot. Okay, I'm gonna act like it's done because I ain't got time to wait for this to go up. It had gotten to 145 and it's still moving real slow. So I'm gonna call it done. So, got my buns ready since I don't have bread, which I really prefer. I want this chop right here. looks amazing. Look at that. To the back. It's crispy. Got sauce on the buns. I'm not gonna say my buns. These are not my buns. Okay. I want to drop it. I'm trying to show y'all. That looks good. So where's the top and the bottom? The bottom. There's the top. Sauce I use, Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Do I need a thumbnail? I guess so. Take this off. Okay, here are my air fried pork chops using the House Autry pork breading mix, and I'm gonna make me some pork chop sandwiches, y'all. I got buns. I prefer bread, but that's all I got is buns. So I'm about to get my eat on. Yes. Okay, let me turn it back around. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. I guess y'all want to see me taste the piece. Just a minute. Break off a little piece. It's done. Still juicy. It's crispy. So it actually took 15 minutes. I'm about to get my eat on, y'all. Very good. Bye. Thank you, Booger 500. Bye. Walker out there barbecuing in the rain. It just started pouring down. Don't let my meat get wet. Okay. Bye, y'all. I'm about to eat my pork chop sandwiches.